Hello, my name is Troy White. I'm with Hoodoo Financial. Over the past few years, one thing we have seen is that change can occur rapidly. Unexpected job losses, health issues, businesses shutting down, financial problems, politics and society seeming to go completely crazy. The only thing that's certain is change itself. If you don't plan financially, you are likely to become a victim of our current economic uncertainty. Again, I'm Troy White. I'm a financial educator, financial planner, and portfolio manager with Hoodoo Financial. We help our clients to learn, plan, and invest. This means to become financially literate, make financial plans, and build investment portfolios that will achieve your financial planning goals. Using online investment accounts, we help create investment portfolios for our clients. And our clients receive online investment accounts and an online financial planning portal in which that allows us to work with you over the long term to build a financial plan that will achieve your investment goals. Click the link below and schedule an appointment. We'll talk about how we can help you build your network. If you're struggling to build an investment portfolio, maybe you're using these online do-it-yourself investment platforms, but getting nowhere, we're here to help. If you want to learn about and invest in the stock market, if you want to learn about and invest in cryptocurrencies, we're here to help. Click the link below, schedule a time, we'll talk, we'll get started improving your net worth. Thanks for listening. I hope to work with you soon. Thanks. Holla.